Good day, viewers. You are welcome. This is a very beautiful functional equation problem. But wait, have you tried this and have you gotten the answers? If not, and if yes, you can drop the answer in the comment box. And if not, let's solve it together. We are given x cubed plus 3x equals f of x plus 2 minus 2. Don't let this equation deceive you. It's very simple as I'm going to be solving it in two different ways. Let's consider the solutions. The first is we need to do rearrangement. We are given f of x plus 2 at the right hand side, and that is minus 2. That minus 2 needs to come to its family, which is x squared plus 3x. After doing that, then we proceed with the next step. But first, let's rearrange. We have x squared plus 3x. Minus 2 comes here, becomes plus 2, then equals f of x plus 2. This is what we have. After getting this, I can also write this as f of x plus 2 equals x squared plus 3x plus 2. It now makes sense. The first method I'm going to use is manipulation method. The domain here is x plus 2 and x here is a member of real number. Any number can work here. And then I want to make sure all this one becomes x plus 2. I need to factorize this. This is the sum of this term and here is the product. But factorizing this is possible because these two numbers are factorizable. What we do now is I'm going to rewrite this as f of x plus 2 equals, I need two numbers that the sum will be 3 and the product will be 2. And the two numbers that works perfectly is just 2 and 1. We have many other numbers here, like what again? So we can just think of any other number like that when we add together, it gives us 3. But the best one that works is 2 and 1. If I say 4 minus 1, that also gives us 3, but it doesn't give us 2 when we multiply the two numbers together. So we just change this 3 to 2 plus 1, and we have x squared, then plus, open bracket, 2 plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. So this is step-by-step solving of this problem. We have x squared plus 2 times x, that gives us 2x plus 1 times x, that is x plus 2. Then we group this. By grouping, we have x squared plus 2x in bracket and also bracket x plus 2. And all this equals f of x plus 2. Here I have to factor out x. By taking out x, we are left with x plus 2. There is 1 outside here and we cannot factor anything. So we have to write it as x plus 2. If all this equals f of x plus 2, this is x plus 2 common. Let's take this as x plus 1, then multiply it with x plus 2. This is a complete factorization of the given quadratic. There are two factors, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Next is, let's try and explore having x plus 1 to be x plus 2. So what we do is, we try to change this to x plus 2. It was x plus 1 before, we subtract 1 from here. Then multiply it with x plus 2. All this equals f of x plus 2. Then the next thing is we have to change everywhere we see x plus 2 to just x, or we can use t if you like. So if this is f of t equals x plus 2 here, change this one, we have t minus 1, then this is multiplied by t, which the final result of this is f of t equals t multiplied by t, that is t squared minus t. Or if you like, you can just make it more ways of how we are asked to find it, which is f of x. We just change every single t to x. Then we are going to have, instead of t, we change it to x. Instead of t here, we write it as x. And instead of t here, we write it as x. This is how I solve this using the first method. How do you see this? And if you watch this video to this point and you gain something, please do well to subscribe and share it for your friend so that they can benefit. Let's get into the second method. Welcome back to the second method. So this method is called substitutions, and the beautiful part of this is you can actually rearrange as I did in the first method, or you can solve this problem directly, anyone that you prefer. When we arranged that, we have f of x plus 2 equals x squared plus 3x plus 2. This is the result of our rearrangement. And here, we need to get into substitutions. Let's say I let t equals x plus 2. Anywhere I see x plus 2, I change it to t. So I want to make x the subject of the formula. We take 2 to other side, and we have x equals t minus 2. Okay, let's take back the substitution. For f of x plus 2, we now have it as f of t. This equals, for our x squared, we change it to t minus 2 all squared, plus 3 bracket. For x, we have it as t minus 2, and this is plus 2. By expanding t minus 2 squared, what we get is t squared minus 4t plus 4. I hope we get this. So just expand this twice, or use binomial expansion. Plus, also, we have 3t minus 6, then plus 2. So, this is t raised to power 2, only one of it we have here. We are going to write it as t raised to power 2. This is minus 4t plus 3t. This gives us minus t. It is not minus 7t, it is minus t. Just like we are taking 3 out of negative values, and it always gives us negative. So then we have 4. This is plus 2, that is 6. Then minus 6, that gives us 0. So we can just add plus 0, or we leave it just like that. Therefore, our result of f of x equals x squared minus x. This is how I solve this problem using 2 methods. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.